China's Shenzhou 9 spacecraft successfully completed 4 orbital transfers. The shifts in position took the ship from low Earth orbit to its final altitude at 343 kilometers above the Earth, 52 kilometers behind the Tiangong-1 Space Lab module. Over the coming few days, the distance between the 2 capsules will close. For the first time, Chinese astronauts will then attempt a docking maneuver, marking an important step for the Rising Power's plans to secure a long-term manned foothold in space. The mission's crew members should then be able to pass into the Space Lab, where they will conduct a series of scientific experiments.
The experiments they will perform in Tiangong-1 will be of a kind that are impossible to conduct on the surface of the Earth. China's space program is far behind those of the US and Russia. The experiments will be very important in the program's development.
Rendezvous and docking exercises are important hurdles in China's efforts to conquer the technological and logistical skills needed to run a full space lab that can house astronauts for long stretches. In addition to carrying out China's first manned orbital docking, the Shenzhou 9 mission is also historic because it is carrying China's first female astronaut. 33-year-old Liu Yang is a fighter pilot who has been feted by the state-controlled media. Meeting with journalists just prior to the launch, she spoke of her confidence in the project's team of experts and her pride in representing both her sex and her country.
I want to thank everyone for their care. Thank you for the confidence put in me by the motherland and the people for giving me this chance to represent China's millions of women by going into space. For this, I feel limitless pride.
Medical experts who helped select the crew of the Shenzhou 9 mission have said female astronauts must meet the same criteria as men, and then some, according to Chinese media. In addition to being married, they must also already be mothers, lest radiation harm their fertility. The Shenzhou 9 mission will last 13 days. Within 8 years, China aims to be running a fully fledged space station. Ribet, Press TV, Beijing.